Hello, and welcome to another TA Tech Tip. In this tech tip, we will demonstrate how to use the RapidDSC analysis features in NanoAnalyze to rapidly analyze DSC data with automatic peak picking and baseline detection. Add data to NanoAnalyze by clicking File, Open, or the Open icon on the main screen. Select the desired DSC data files and click Open. The analysis described here will work for both NanoDSC and RSDSC data files. Click the RapidDSC icon on the top panel to open a new RapidDSC analysis set. Add the desired files. Up to 96 calorimeter scans can be analyzed within the same set. Set the parameters for analysis in the upper bar. If the transition temperature is known, the analysis start and end temperature can be defined to help refine the analysis. Deselect the automatic startup hook feature and add the start and end temperature. In this example, we will search between 50 and 100 degrees Celsius. Next, define the number of peaks to be detected. Up to 3 transitions will be automatically detected. In this example, we will search for 2 peaks. Other parameters, including baseline polynomial order, min and max peak height, and timeout, can be adjusted as desired. Any of these default settings can be changed and saved using the setting window. To apply the analysis to all data files, press the first play icon. To apply the analysis to only selected rows, press the second play icon. The analysis will proceed sequentially through each data file and propagate the Tmax columns in the table. To view the analysis in more detail or make edits, double-click on the graph icon. The Baseline and Tmax Editor pop-up window allows you to adjust the baseline, repeat the peak detection, and accept the enthalpy. To adjust the baseline, the blue bars in the pre- and post-transition regions can be widened or moved by dragging. The region for enthalpy integration can be adjusted using the blue bar beneath the graph. A different region of the scan can be selected by adjusting the temperature range indicated by the white bar along the bottom. If baseline detection failed, the Baseline and Tmax Editor pop-up window allows you to manually drop in a baseline and adjust. First, ensure the correct temperature range is displayed, narrowing in on the transitions of interest. Press the Manually Add a Baseline icon and adjust the blue bars so that the baseline matches the curvature of the scan as if no transitions exist. After making any adjustments to the baseline, it is recommended to redo the peak detection using the Auto Detect Peaks icon, as the peak is refined using the baseline. If enthalpy is desired, ensure the baseline is appropriate for the analysis and click the Enthalpy Acceptance icon. After saving changes by clicking OK, any updates will appear in the analysis table. The Tmax Visualization and Overlay tabs are designed to aid in the analysis of large data sets. A Tmax Visualization tab is propagated for each transition and displays the peak maximum for each scan. The data range can be adjusted by changing the min and max values, and the visualization graph can be zoomed by dragging the red bars in the data section. The analysis range can be used to refine a range of interest and to easily identify any outliers. For example, if you are looking for a candidate with a transition above 70 degrees Celsius, setting the minimum value in the analysis range to 70 will propagate any data files below that temperature into the analysis outliers table. The Overlay tab allows for quick visualization of the thermogram of all scans and allows for a variety of viewing modes. In this example, we will compare the scans by first applying the subtracted baseline from the automated detection, stacking the plots to separate the files, and zooming in on the graph by clicking and dragging across the desired region. In this tab, you can display the T-max points to allow for easy visualization of each transition in the scans. By hovering over any of the scans, you can see the associated data files in the upper left corner. To aid in reporting, any of these views can be exported to PDF, Excel, or as an image using the Export Data drop-down menu. For additional descriptions of each RapidDSC feature, you can utilize the software guide found in the Help menu. In this tech tip, we learned how to analyze a dataset using the RapidDSC analysis features in NanoAnalyze. Please stay tuned for more helpful tips from TA Instruments, and thank you for your interest.